Hello everyone! This time I'm very glad to introduce to you some special friends from UK. Let's see. Here we are.
Ciao! Ciao dear Sicily lovers! I'm very happy to be here. I'm still here with Domenico, as you can see. I'm exploding like a volcano. And I'm very happy because we are with two beautiful friends from UK. We have Gino, Emilia, but they are more Sicilian than us.
Emilia is from Aragona, a small village in the province of Agrigento, and Gino from Sciacca, also from the area Agrigento area. Say something. I don't want to add anything. So tell your story. How did you know us?
How did I know you?
Yes.
I met you on YouTube.
Yeah.
For a long time, 4 or 5 years, I think. So we kept in touch, and this is the first time we met for 4 or 5 years.
And we are super happy, super excited
happy.
because we know each other for a long time,
Yeah,
and it's so
yeah.
beautiful to meet you in person.
Yeah. And we love you both, and we enjoy your videos, and yeah.
And say that you are moving to Sicily.
I am.
Emilia, would you like to say that?
Yeah, we are moving to Sicily and we just can't wait. We're looking forward to it, and we are so happy to have met you, Giancarlo, finally after all this time. So it's been amazing, lovely.
So what's your favorite place so far? Are you going to move to Caccamo, right?
Caccamo, yeah, definitely Caccamo. We love Caccamo, friendly people, beautiful old town, the castle. Everything about
But say the truth. The main reason to go to Caccamo is the sausage.
Yes,
Everybody
the
knows
sausage.
it.
Definitely the sausage, yes. We love the sausage, and we can't wait for the festival.
So where we are now? You're expert.
Yeah.
Say where we are now, right
we are
now.
in Palermo.
Where? What's behind you? What's
We are near the theatre.
the Massimo Theater? So Gina, Emilia, are you familiar with the Godfather trilogy?
Yes.
Is this a filming location?
Yes.
What they filmed there? What they shoot there?
Can't remember now. It's a long time.
The Godfather Part 3.
Yeah,
Part 3.
It's the place where Michael's daughter was shot on the
Yeah,
staircase.
was killed on the staircase behind you. Yes.
But it's also a beautiful theater. So if you visit Palermo, don't miss the chance to visit not only outside, but inside is stunning.
What's the main feature?
It's the third largest theater in Europe.
Yes.
And also you can enjoy a beautiful show inside, like Aida or other beautiful
Operas.
operas. Yes. And today is a little bit cloudy, but
Still warm.
we have the sun here. Our souls. is
You
the
bring
sun.
sun in your soul. You are shiny people.
We are home.
Now we are going to eat some Sicilian food because you know, in Sicily, when we meet friends, we need to share food.
Yes, I'm a mangiare.
Because she has to feed Domenico.
Yes. I think not less than 8 pounds at the end.
So, Rosella, for those who are wondering, we are expecting Domenico in a couple of minutes, in a couple of hours, in a couple of days. You never know.
You never know. It's like a bomb. It can
Explode anytime.
So
And he is late.
he's late, of course. He's a man. Yeah,
Oh,
so
here we go.
that's the biggest problem. Sorry for the man.
We
but-
were expecting Domenico on
Lazy.
May the 5th.
Yeah, even they told me also at the end of April to be ready because he was already in the right position right there. So we expect at the end of April, but no, he is lazy. He want to enjoy life. He stay very well here, and so we wait.
So it's 4 days late. Today is May the 9th.
4 or 5 days late.
Yes.
So let's
This is the Sicilian way.
Sicilian way,
He's
yeah.
taking it
I
easy.
was just about to say that.
He's taking it easy.
And
Proprio
it's,
Siciliano.
Bravo.
and it's also the first board, so they say the first one is late.
The
normally.
latest one.
guys will love
Would you like to say something in Sicilian?
Ciao a tutti i siciliani, ti voglio bene.
Bravo!
Tornate in Sicilia, a vostra terra, vi aspetta.
Ciao a tutti.
So they said, if you have a Sicilian origin, please return to Sicily.
At
This is
least
your
once.
homeland.
At least once to discover the homeland of your ancestors. We can help you plan your tour of Sicily, we can help you trace your roots, and we wait for you here in Sicily. Best things to do in Sicily.com. Gianca, come with us.
Wait. Here we are.
All
So,
together.
love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao, ciao, dear Sicily lovers.